Hey guys, and welcome back. So I wanted to review the new styling products by Garnier, and this is their Curl Treat collection. This collection has the butter, which is supposed to be for more coarse type textures. They also have the Smoothie, which is designed for more fine to normal textures. And then the jelly is supposed to be designed for all hair type textures. I'm going to be using the jelly for this review, and as you can see, it's like a custard base. So I've already shampooed, deep conditioned, and applied my leave-in, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the jelly. I'm adding more water because I want to make sure that my hair is damp when applying this jelly. Now off back, I'm not a fan of how the jelly feels. It was kind of hard for me to keep it in my hands. It's more of a thick, slimy type jelly. So the curls are defining okay. I was a bit skeptical of the jelly flaking because it was rolling into my hands like in small beads. So I'm glad I didn't use the smoothie or butter. I was thinking that the jelly would have just sat on top of my hair if I had used one of the two products. So here you can see how the curls are defining, and it looks pretty moisturized. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up. And I'm just making sure that the jelly is throughout my hair. After blow drying, here's what we have. And this jelly has a crunch, y'all. Like, there is a gel cast that I really have to take my time and scrunch out. I wanted to show you all how the other two stylers look. So here's the smoothie. It's very smooth in texture. And you want to apply these stylers on damp hair. I'm just applying it now just to get a feeling of how it feels on my hair. Here's the butter, and it's really thick, so it may work great at keeping the curls moisturized. overall the jelly was okay. It isn't anything spectacular, it's just okay. I would definitely try this smoothie and butter in the future. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you guys later.